What if you could turn your laptop into a cash-generating machine with just a few clicks? Sounds too good to be true. Well, what if I told you that affiliate marketing could be your ticket to financial freedom? But there's a catch. Most people get it wrong. Stick around and I'll reveal the top mistakes to avoid and the secrets to setting up a successful affiliate marketing business that could change your life. Embarking on a profitable affiliate marketing journey is akin to constructing a durable edifice. It begins by laying a solid foundation. You may wonder, what does laying a foundation entail in the realm of online marketing? Essentially, it's about mastering the basics. Like building your house on bedrock rather than on sand. The first step is identifying the right niche. This requires a balance between personal passion, market demand, and potential profitability. Selling ice to Eskimos exemplifies a misaligned effort due to lack of demand. Conversely, offering refreshments to a parched crowd represents the ideal niche scenario. Content creation is the next pivotal step. Crafting content that addresses the pains, pleasures, needs, and desires of your audience is crucial. It's like nurturing a plant. The better the care, the more bountiful its fruits, symbolizing the commissions you aim to earn. A common pitfall is to hastily promote products without a reliable platform. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or email list, having a consistent base where you offer value fosters trust. Trust in affiliate marketing translates directly into clicks and sales. Building a sturdy foundation is not an overnight task. It requires patience, persistence, and learning from those who've successfully navigated the path. How does one select a profitable niche, create compelling content, and develop a platform that attracts and retains an audience? These questions are vital in laying your affiliate marketing foundation. Now consider what's stopping you from starting your affiliate marketing journey today. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's address these obstacles together. Selecting a profitable niche is like setting coordinates for a treasure hunt. Precision is key. The demand in your chosen niche guides your direction. To delve into niche research, start with broad interests, then narrow down using forums, social media, and product lists to identify market gaps. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. However, what about competition? While a crowded niche may seem intimidating, it indicates a healthy market. The strategy is to identify sub-niches with sufficient demand but lower competition, such as organic pre-workout formulas for over 40s instead of the broader health supplements. Practical tools like Google Keyword Planner and marketplaces like Amazon offer insights into search trends and popular products. Customer reviews especially can reveal what consumers love and hate, offering clues to niche opportunities. What niche has always intrigued you and why? Share your thoughts in the comments. Understanding your target audience goes beyond knowing potential purchases. It involves grasping their daily challenges and desires. Reflect on a product that seemed tailor-made for you. How did that discovery feel? Thinking about these experiences can help you discover how such alignment can be achieved in your niche. Affiliate programs are akin to a room filled with treasures, each offering a chance to monetize your passion through commissions. Choosing the right program means aligning with your values and audience interests. Transparency about these partnerships is crucial for maintaining trust. But the details matter too. Commission rates, payment structures, and program reputations are all critical factors in your success. What kind of products would you be excited to promote? Your earnings strategy is crucial. Some programs offer monthly payouts, others quarterly, and some require reaching a minimum threshold. Aligning your cash flow expectations with these terms is important to avoid disappointment. What factors are most important to you in an affiliate program? Commission rates, payment terms, or something else? Evaluating a program's reputation is like choosing dinner party guests. You want reliability and a good match for your audience. Investigating forums, reviews, and track records can indicate whether a program is trustworthy and pays on time. Before moving forward, remember to subscribe for more insights into building a profitable affiliate marketing strategy. Your selection of affiliate programs should not only generate revenue, but also enhance your credibility. What are your biggest fears or challenges in selecting an affiliate program? Share below for discussion. Creating a website or blog is like painting a digital masterpiece, with each element reflecting your vision. Starting with a domain name and choosing a user-friendly design platform like WordPress can simplify the process. Your content is where your voice and value proposition shine, engaging your audience and encouraging their loyalty. What unique value do you plan to offer through your content? Engaging content transcends mere information. It creates an experience. Captivating headlines, relatable stories, and appealing visuals can transform your message into an unforgettable journey for your audience. What makes content unforgettable to you? Think about this and share your insights in the comments below. Balancing SEO and user experience is crucial. Like choosing an outfit that's both stylish and comfortable, your site must attract with SEO while engaging users with a great experience. The content hierarchy acts as a guide, ensuring users don't miss the crucial call to action. When was the last time a website's poor usability drove you away, and what could have been done better? A content calendar organizes your marketing strategy, ensuring timely and relevant content. Diversifying your content types and remaining flexible to incorporate trending topics keeps your audience engaged and looking forward to your posts. Which type of content do you find most engaging and why? Do you like information? How-to guides? Integrating social media and email marketing leverages the expansive reach of social platforms with a personal touch of email. This combination can significantly enhance your brand's engagement and conversion rates. How do you see social media and email marketing working together for your brand? Finally, engaging with your audience means crafting experiences that resonate, sparking connections that deepen their relationship with your brand. It's about pulling them into your world, not just pushing content their way.